Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tacoma headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the engine is cool to the touch. Gather your new H11 bulb and any necessary tools like gloves. You'll access the bulb from behind the headlight assembly, often requiring a bit of maneuvering. Always handle the new bulb by its base to avoid contaminating the glass. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11 for many Tacoma models. Park your truck on a level surface and turn off the engine, allowing it to cool down completely. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or a cover to gain clear access to the bulb. Once you have access, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, grasp the base of the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull the bulb straight out. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Now take your new H11 bulb, holding it by its plastic base, and carefully insert it into the headlight housing. Align the tabs on the bulb with the slots in the housing, then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.